Welcome! In today's video, we will explain the purpose of DNS, the reasons why you should use DNS over HTTPS, and exactly how to configure this in Windows 11. So, what exactly is DNS? DNS, or Domain Name System, is a decentralized system that translates domain names like www, youtube.com, into IP addresses, like 172.217.167.110, allowing users to access websites using human-readable addresses. It essentially serves as the Internet's address book, directing web traffic to the correct destination servers. So, why would we want to use DNS over HTTPS? The primary benefit of DNS over HTTPS is that encrypting DNS name resolution traffic hides online activities. When users enter a URL into their browser, a DNS query is typically needed to resolve the domain portion of the URL into an IP address. This saves you having to remember complicated IP addresses for your favorite websites like YouTube and Facebook. Name resolution requests must pass through the Internet Service Provider's network and through any routers that exist between the ISP and the DNS server. The name resolution request is visible at any of these points, so your searches and internet browsing may not be secure. The ISP, or any other bad actor, can see exactly which sites are being visited simply by monitoring DNS name resolution requests. DNS over HTTPS hides the name resolution requests from the ISP and from anyone listening or eavesdropping on intermediary networks. Without further delay, let's get right into it. First, open Settings. Then, navigate to Network and Internet. If you have a wired connection with a cable, select Ethernet. If you are using a wireless connection, select Wi-Fi. Next, scroll down and click Edit next to DNS Server Assignment. Now, make the following changes. Change Automatic DHCP to Manual, and enable IPv4. Enter into the preferred DNS. 9.9.9.9. This DNS service, also referred to as Quad 9, is a privacy and security-focused DNS service which blocks lookups of malicious host names from a database of threats. This blocking action protects your computer against malware, phishing, spyware, and botnets. I highly recommend you use Quad 9 as your preferred DNS server, and you can find more information about them on their website, quad9.net. Next, set DNS over HTTPS to on automatic template. Please note, if you use a laptop that roams to other networks which may block DNS over HTTPS, such as public Wi-Fi at schools and universities, consider choosing fallback to plain text as well. Enter into the alternate DNS 149.112.112.112. Also make sure to turn on DNS over HTTPS for this too. Then, click on Save. And there you have it. Your web searches and browsing will now be more secure and private while using your Windows 11 computer thanks to encrypted DNS over HTTPS. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video useful, and until next time, stay secure.